Hi, this is Phil with Heart of Texas Federal Credit Union. Recently, I've been asked, hey, my credit score's gone down. I need to know how to rebuild it. We're going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about 4 key steps to rebuilding or improving your credit score. Step 1, the number one factor in your score is 35% of your score. Are you current? How are you paying on your loans? Whether it be a car loan, home loan, credit card, personal loan. Are you current? Are you paying on time? If you're past due on any loans or all loans, as soon as possible, get them current. Over time, even 1 year's of time, it will have a positive effect on your score. Number 2, if you have a credit card or a line of credit, the model looks at, let's say the line's $10,000 and you owe $9,000. Oh, he's almost maxed out. It's going to score you lower at 30% of your score. So ideally, you want to pay that balance down. I know it takes time, but you want to pay it down to 30% of your credit limit or less. It will improve your score. Step 3, and this relates to the other 2, I'm always an advocate for building a rainy day fund, and here's why. Life events happen. I need new car tires. Oh, my fridge went out. These are not inexpensive purchases, and minimum 1,000 rainy day fund allows you to take care of most of those items without having to borrow or defer payments. Step 4, I would go to annualcreditreport.com and look at your credit score. You've been working on it, let's say, for 6 months. Okay, how does it look? Is the report accurate? Am I really current on my car loan and they're saying that I'm past due? You can dispute an inaccurate report with the credit bureau, which it will in turn, within 60 days, get with the creditor and find out is that report accurate or not. Credit rebuild can be frustrating, but if you stick with it, get current, get your balance down 30% of your limit or less, I promise you your score will improve. And then you'll save money because you'll borrow interest at better rates with a higher credit score. My name is Phil at Heart of Texas Federal Credit Union. We care about your financial wellness.